Greetings, loyal subjects. I want to do a short series on Tudor Conspiracy Theories. I think you're going to like this. I'm going to start off with the Bisley Boy. Essentially, this theory goes that the Lady Elizabeth, my daughter, as a child, was visiting one of her manor houses in the town of Bisley. And there, she took ill. Unfortunately, the staff and her governess, Cat Ashley, wasn't quick enough in getting a local doctor. The Lady Elizabeth died. Then, almost immediately, there came the news to the house that I was hunting in the area and I was coming to visit my daughter. Cat Ashley and the rest of the staff panicked. Let's face it, I'm not a man who's pretty tolerant of failure. And they rushed down to the town and they found a child that they hatched up this crazy scheme was going to mimic Lady Elizabeth. They were going to put this child in the bed and say, she's not very well, there she is, Henry. Problem was, the only child that was available of a similar age and build was a boy. And that's what they did, according to this legend, is they substituted the Lady Elizabeth for a local country boy. And that same country boy, the Bisley Boy, allegedly passed off the rest of his life as Elizabeth. And that is why she used to go around with all of the heavy makeup on, and why she never married. Because obviously if she married, then on the wedding night, her husband was going to be in for a bit of a shock. So, a conspiracy theory. Where did it actually come from? Well, it was local legend for a long, long time. But interestingly, the person who brought it to the wide population wasn't some crazy, mad person. It was, in fact, the famous author Bram Stoker, the guy that wrote Dracula. He wasn't a man who was short of a penny. He had lots of contacts in the world. He wasn't doing it for credibility. So he must have thought there was some merit in the story.